So today I went on a haul, a little short, small haul. So got another bag. Let's see what we have. What's in the bag? What kind of goodies do we have today? So you're wondering, what is this? By Tech. So this is a fan. Comes one speed on high at 5 below. It's also a lantern. So you can have this, like if your power goes out, something like that. This is like $5 and some change at 5 below. The next thing we have, I can never have enough tripods. So this tripod extends to 2 feet. It's also a selfie stick, also a foldable tripod, vertical horizontal viewer, compatible with most smartphones. On the back, you have universal extendable tripod. Foldable tripod extends to 2 feet tall, adjustable to any angle. Play, pause, shutter button. Fits most smartphones up to 3 inches wide. And it comes with a battery inside of the remote. Package content contains 1 tripod and 1 remote control. So let's get this open. Let me get my trusty sidekick, old Bluey. Come on, man. They waiting for you to open this package. And let's see what we got in the box. That looks like it. Some directions.
Get rid of the box. So.
Okay, so we open it right here.
You have this.
So these straps. This was also $5 at 5 below. So the controller has its own little resting spot, which you can actually take off whenever you need to use it. Nice little addition. You can use it for camera and video recording. Like I said, this stretches out to 2 feet. I have some dials to bend it back and forth. Nice little addition to my tech products. So this will be in tripod mode. Use this for tabletop, selfie stick. So here comes the next product, an Apple HomePod speaker. It runs Bluetooth, actually not a HomePod. It's not by Apple. I was just joking. But I thought this was interesting, saying that I would one day eventually buy me a HomePod, but I never really had a use for it. So I actually seen this one. It kind of reminded me, like between a Google series and a HomePod. They have some LED lights around, which I opened up. Like I said, color changing LEDs. I thought it was pretty interesting, so I picked it up. So you got high quality sound, which seems like it's gonna have a little bass to it. Fabric texture, similar to a HomePod. Rechargeable battery. I wish everybody would come out with USB-C, but I guess we're still not there yet. Still uses a micro USB charging port. Has a LED indicator on the back and a little durable strap to hold it. And an on and off switch. So I mean, it kind of favors the Apple HomePod in a sense. So let's get this bad boy open. All right, now time for the reveal.
Let's go.
Looks pretty much like a HomePod, but I actually never owned one, but seeing videos from friends on Twitter and people on YouTubers on YouTube, it pretty much looks exactly the same. The things come in a box. Comes with a micro USB instructions, globe wireless speaker. And I actually picked up this one for $7 at 5 below, if you was wondering the price. So basic instructions on how everything works. Instructions are available. All right, so padded material. Looks like it would feel like a HomePod. It's very, very lightweight. So you have an on and off switch and a micro USB and a little holder to hold it. All right, let's turn it on. Let's see what the lights look like. So this is the speaker at the top, so you might not want to press too hard if you was to get one of these. I'm pretty sure it's similar to Apple's HomePod, but this is not a Apple HomePod. All right, so let's set it down. Let's turn it on. Pretty cool. So right now it's in pairing mode. Pretty cool LEDs. So I'm going to hook it up to the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And it comes out as Globe speaker. So let's connect it.
There's the volume.
And unfortunately, there is no way to turn it up from the speaker. I guess you have to do it from your actual phone. So now it's connected.
I always name device type. We're going to say speaker. So it's now hooked into my car.
And we're going to play a video from my YouTube channel. So if you haven't seen iOS 17 video yet, go check that out. It has some of the best features that you could possibly get with the new iOS 17 Beta 2. Go ahead and check that video out on my channel. I hope you enjoy it. Do some binge watching, check out some other videos. I try to make the best content possible and try to give you fastest, quickest, and most useful features and updates and stuff straight to the point. I'm going to play this one. You ready for the second beta of iOS? The latest update brings some amazing new feature improvements and enhancements. We also get a new transparent clock with it. So it looks like the speaker plays from the front. Right here, there's a little speaker behind the fabric. I don't believe there's speakers anywhere else on here. So it's okay. I'll check it out and see if there's any bass as far as this little speaker. But so far, whoa, Apple will release another iOS 17 beta. Are you ready for the second beta of iOS? Latest update, bro. So it just basically changes colors as you're listening to it. Is what the LED does. There's no actual different colors going around in a circle, like displayed on the box. So the LEDs flash. Well, that might change depending on if it's music or not. So I can't quite say that yet, but I guess it's just showing the different colors that it actually does, which that looks like a teal instead of a blue, and that's a purple. So I guess it depends on the light. Okay, well, I guess that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!
Is it time to go? Nope.
Okay, I guess it's time to go. The video is over. Why are you still standing there? Later!